So hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to create the VPC network in the Google Cloud Console, which is GCP. So very first step is, let's open the Google Cloud Console. So once you open the Google Cloud Console, so we need to go to the VPC networks area. So go to VPC network and select the VPC network. So once you will open this, so you can see the VPC network console over here. So this is the default VPC network which you can see over here. And now we are going to create the one additional custom VPC network. So just click on create VPC network. So once we will create, so you can see the VPC network one form open. So here first we need to give any name, custom name for our VPC network. So I am giving name like VPC demo one. So this is the name of my VPC network. Then give the description. You can give any description for your VPC network. And next is a subnet creation mode. So here we have two options whether we want to go with the custom or the automatic. So we'll go with automatic. So what is the meaning of automatic? So it will basically show the IP list range, and it will get assigned to an appropriate regions of the address range. Means our VPC will be using this range. So next is firewall. So in this firewall, you can see some standard firewall is already there. So if you want to use any standard or by default, which is there firewall, so you can select those firewalls. And another option is you can create the firewall rule also. Also, so we will not select this. So I will show you how to create the custom firewall rules. So let's go down, and here you have another option which is dynamic routing mode. So here also we have two options, regional and global. So you can see here, so basically regional will be only learn the routes within that specific region, and global is another way. So I will select the regional. So MTU, maximum transmission unit, so you can keep it as default 1460 and just click on create. So now you can see our console is creating the network, which is our VPC network VPC hyphen demo one. So it will take some time, and once it will be get created, so we can see in the same view only. So like default we have, so same like that we will see our custom one. So once it is created, after that we will basically create the firewall rule, and we will try to assign that rule to our VPC network. So you can see successfully created network. So just click on refresh, and let me show you. So you can see this is created, the VPC demo one. So this is default and this is our custom one. So you can see here the firewall rules, as I said, I have not assigned, so it is showing 0. So let's create the firewall rules now. So to create the firewall rules, here you can go to firewall option, and here again you have the standard firewall over here, but we will going to create the custom one. So just say create firewall rule. So you can give any name like rule hyphen firewall maybe. Okay, so this is my firewall. That's it. Description you can give any, and logs. So this is important. So these are the firewall logs. So if you will activate, so basically it will increase your cloud cost. So you can decide whether you really need the logs or not. So if you don't need, so you can keep it off. So you can control your cloud cost. Then network. So you can see, so here is the option where we need to select our custom network. So in previous step we have created this VPC hyphen demo one, so it came in list by default. So I'm selecting this. So what will happen, this firewall rule, basically whatever we are creating, so it will get assigned to this network. Then priority. So this priority basically depends upon the firewall rules. So the lesser the priority, it will give more. Like you can see over here, the rules with the lower number of get priorities first. So depend. So suppose if you have multiple rules for any one network, so you can set the priority. So the rules with a lower number will be basically prioritized, or it will be considered first. So I am keeping it default, no changes. Now, direction of traffic. So we have two, ingress and basically egress. So ingress is for your incoming traffic, and egress is for your outgoing. So you can change as per your requirement. For example, I'm selecting ingress now. Then here you can decide whether you want to allow some or deny. So here I will say allow, and target will be all instances in my network, means whatever instances will be get created, so this will be applicable for all instances. Then source filter. So basically I am allowing the source filter like IP ranges, so you can put IP range over here. So just you can give any 192.168.2.0 and 24. So this is the range I am giving. So like this, you can give as per your requirement. Then second source filter, just leave it as it is, default. Then these are the ports. Now, which ports you want to allow. So whether you want to allow all ports, so you can select this. Suppose if you have a specific requirement, then you can allow the specific ports also. For example, I am TCP port. I am only looking for suppose 22 and UDP all. So this is my requirement. So just select that, and you can say create. So now what will happen, so this firewall rule basically is getting created. So once it is created, so in VPC network we can see that it is assigned. So you can see successfully firewall rule is created. So let's go back to VPC network which we created, the custom one, and see whether the rule is assigned or not. So this is our VPC demo one which we created. You can see firewall rules was 0 earlier, but it is showing 1 now. And we will be able to see our firewall rule over here. So this is how we can create the VPC network and assign the required firewall rule. So if you like this video, so do hit like button, and if you would like to have more videos like this, then you can subscribe to this channel. Thank you.